Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And now I'm going to invite Dr. Alkia today with us. Oh, okay. I got it. Hmm. Very soon she'll be joining. No. Oh, yes. Soon Dr. Alkia is joining.
Hello.
Hello Dr. Alkia. Welcome.
How are you? Thank you. How
I'm
are
good. How
you?
are you?
Good, good. Thank you.
I'm so glad that you got some precious time for Perenne family and you are here to solve people's query. And everyone is very excited that we are going to talk about digital aging today. And you'll put some light on all the questions. They are already, there are so many people. I think we should start.
Yes.
First of all, I would want to ask you, what is digital aging and how does it affect our skin?
Yeah, so digital aging is a very fancy term that we could get in this digital era,
Right.
but the concept remains the same. That most of us, since especially post COVID, that most of us are logged onto our laptops, our screen time, basically our phones or
Yes.
cameras. We have a lot of videos, people taking a lot of videos, a lot of influences
It's the
around.
best
So
time pass for
basically,
everyone nowadays, even for kids also.
yeah, even for people who are doing it, even for people who are watching it,
Yes,
both ways it's very entertaining.
absolutely.
So all those things actually are maybe it looks like we're having a lot of fun, but then it's actually adding up a lot of radiation in terms of it's similar to how you're exposed to sun for a long time. But
Yes.
again, that's natural sunlight. Here we are having filters, which is infrared also from the artificial lights coming in, which are again not that great on your skin. Of course, they're I cannot use the word
Yes.
harmful, but they're actually harming the
Yeah.
skin, and that's causing more of aging. What we say now, when I say digital aging, it's not that in this digital age era we are aging. It's not that. It's for those people who see aging faster, especially the ones who are more hooked onto their laptops or who have a longer screen time. And how do you
Okay.
know that you're aging faster is when you see your skin is looking dull. Most of the times I see patients, I'm using the same skincare routine doctor, but somehow वो glow नहीं है पहले की तरह वो the
Absolutely.
charm नहीं है. सब
Absolutely.
लोग बोलते कि वो charm नहीं है, charm नहीं. What exactly is
Yes.
the charm that we're missing? It means that you're in front of a screen for a very long time without having a protection. And all we think is having a protection glass or specs to prevent your eyes.
Right.
Hopefully we all understand the importance of similar thing for your skin also, and the filter would be even people who does not have a sight like an eye problem usually wear zero lens specs to prevent their eyes from getting damaged or
Specs
dry
पहन
because of this.
के हमें थोड़ा प्रोटेक्शन मिल सकता है.
हाँ, so that's what we're always focusing. जो लोग screen time पे ज्यादा रहते
Yeah.
हैं वो specs पहनना, like that became a conscious thing. But no one thinks कि इसके वजह से skin भी damage हो सकता है और lips and basically skin overall.
बिल्कुल. लोगों को होता है कि ब्लू लाइट है क्या, एंड देन उससे क्या सच में प्रीमेच्योर एजिंग होता है, ये लोगों को हमेशा रहता है. और वो ये नहीं सोचते कि हाँ भाई स्किन डल हो रहा है या जो भी इश्यूज आ रहे हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजन कि हम लोग 24 आवर्स में से आई थिंक जब तक हमारा जो वेकिंग अप टाइम है उससे हम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोग स्क्रीन होती है सबके पास. वी कांट गो विदाउट इट नाउ.
And we all have this notion कि हम तो AC में बैठ रहे हैं, there is no sun
Yes,
coming inside. What is this aging that we're
absolutely.
talking about?
So
It's just a
yeah,
lie.
लोगों को ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है. So I would want you to tell them what are the common signs of digital aging.
Especially that you see around your eyes, that you see that your eyes are becoming dull than usual. You don't see that spark in the eyes anymore. You usually see dullness. And we see a lot of patients coming with dark circles at a very younger age, because from a younger age now everyone is opting job from a younger age. So you're seeing them sitting 9 to 5 or whatever for a very long hours. You see the dullness in the eyes, because sitting in front of the eyes, also your screen is affecting your eyes. Also habit of rubbing the eyes, or when it is feeling dry or anything, that especially first you see is fine lines around your eyes.
या
This is the first
ड्राइनेस
thing
की
you see.
वजह से हम रब करते हैं जिससे फाइन लाइन ज्यादा आ रही हैं,
ज्यादा
डार्क सर्कल ज्यादा
फ्रिक्शन
हो
से
रहे हैं.
ज्यादा हो जाता है.
राइट राइट. रबिंग
Also, even if you don't
तो
rub it,
या
you're exposed to it without a sunscreen application, definitely. Now again, here comes sunscreen application also around the eyes is very important, because that will also help in preventing the aging around the eyes. In general, when you see your face looks a little dull and dehydrated, because the most of the time in the AC and you think you're actually protected, but again that temperature makes your skin more dry.
Okay.
So dryness causes your face to look dull. Dryness causes your face to look more pigmented, because some people say till here my body color is different. यहाँ से यहाँ अलग color है. And that's
बिल्कुल.
because you're exposed to screen time without a sunscreen for a very long time. That can actually cause aging. These are the main signs of aging that you see around your face.
Got it. And what are the preventive measures one should take to for this digital aging?
Definitely my first and always, if you check out my page, is all maximum of my videos around sunscreen. So sunscreen is something that you will never ever
Yes,
think of
yes. One
removing
should
from your
always
skincare
wear.
routine. And the first question patients will like, कब तक use करना? हमेशा के लिए sunscreen use करना मतलब
Yes,
क्या
yes,
होता
yes.
है? So
This is
this
an
is not a
effort,
tablet.
but ये है कि इसका बहुत बेनिफिट है. अगर आपको फाइन लाइंस और सैगिंग स्किन से बचना है तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करो, री अप्लाई करो, घर में भी अप्लाई करो, क्लाउडी है, सनी है, व्हाटएवर. So yeah, people need to understand
Even if
that.
you're traveling, they say I'm traveling in a tinted glass car with AC, why do you think the skin will get affected? It is not about the glass, it's not about your tint, it's not about where you are indoors or outdoors. It's usually anything, if there is light, you know that you're getting affected by those rays. So sunscreen is something that's first thing that I would like to recommend. And definitely, as I said, your skin when it is dry or dull, it looks dull and it looks pigmented. So moisturizer, your basic hyaluronic acids that are there in most of the moisturizers. If you cannot apply pure hyaluronic acid based creams, also you can apply. These two are the main things and simple most things that you can use, because actives बहुत ज़्यादा रहते, retinol रहता, niacinamide, salicylic. People don't understand what exactly to apply on their face. Sunscreen
Right.
moisturizer तो सबको पता है, तो everyone can opt for a good sunscreen and a good moisturizer. This will take you long when it is coming to preventing aging on your skin.
राइट. और डिहाइड्रेशन स्किन का दूर करेगा और डलनेस भी दूर करेगा. तो सनस्क्रीन और मॉइस्चराइजर तो बहुत जरूरी है सबके लिए. कुछ पर्टिकुलर इंग्रेडिएंट्स आप बताएंगे which are good for preventing this digital aging?
Yes, again we have when we're talking about aging, usually retinol and aging goes hand in hand. So especially we see a lot of lotions or creams or serums these days with retinol based ingredients. So to start with, you start off with a very low potential retinol or a basic retinol serum, but again in the nights that will start protecting your aging skin. Also, preventing all those fine lines, जो initial stages में रहता है, that will be very much prevented if you start retinol. That is one of the ingredients that I would want to recommend for patients or people who want to start something related to the anti-aging product.
Right.
Now again, don't apply retinol cream directly is what I say. Sunscreen moisturizer for sure and retinol, not just the retinol to prevent your aging.
परफेक्ट. सो एक चीज मैं भी ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि अब साइंस ने इतना एडवांस कर लिया है कि देयर आर सो मेनी एक्टिव्स कमिंग अप जो कि क्लिनिकली टेस्टेड है, जो कि ब्लू लाइट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हैं. और मैंने आपके कुछ क्लाइंट्स ने यूज भी किया है. पेरेने का जो अंडर आई है, सो दैट हैज एल्डोविन 5x and also it has hyaluronic acid. It also has Carotenoid and Eldovin 5x are the actives which are specially made for preventing digital aging. And उसके क्लिनिकल रिजल्ट्स हैं कि वो कितना विजिबल रिजल्ट्स देता है और कितना फाइन लाइंस को, डार्क सर्कल को प्रिवेंट करता है. So this is a product which we have made very carefully for, especially for digital aging prevention, because we know कि teenagers, senior citizens, any age people, men, women, everyone needs these products. So आपने भी अपने clients को हमारा ये under eye recommend किया था, Perenne का replenishing under eye और sunscreen. So how did you get the feedback?
Yes, especially the patients who are working in front of the screen time for a long time, not just in the offices. अभी तो work from home भी कर रहे हैं ये लोग, और work from patients से कि ऑफिस से ज्यादा अगर वर्क फ्रॉम होम लिया, वर्क फ्रॉम होम ज्यादा काम रहता है, ज्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम रहता है. So for such patients, because day and night, otherwise you work in the morning and you sleep in the night. For this kind of category, you see them working day and night without any change. Such patients actually benefited a lot with the under eye product that I have given, especially those people who complain of कि my eyes are looking dull, or this dark circles somehow never leave me, they're always there on my face, just उठते, even if I sleep and get up, वो fresh look नहीं आता है eyes के बाद.
Right.
So that way I saw many people complimenting the product, that it actually helped them.
I'm glad.
Really good
So
with
this is the small compact Perenne replenishing under eye, which actually works wonder for when it comes to the this prevention of blue light radiations. And also Perenne sunscreen भी जो है हमारा qualified
yes,
tested है, जो
sunscreen.
yeah,
Yes.
you must have got very good results because
Yes,
it's
yes.
favorite of everyone.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it is actually 58.5 SPF factor, and it is PA+++, and it also.
And I like the fact that you guys give the certificate along with
Yes,
the sunscreen.
absolutely. We give that
That's
certificate
actually very
also.
cool.
I would like to
Yeah.
show you that also.
Yes,
Yeah,
please show that.
yeah. So these are the
Yeah.
certificates which we give with the sunscreen, that it is actually SPF 50 or more. It is not less than that, because we are a clean beauty brand and we believe in transparency and honesty. So we think people should know what is in our product. This is the USP of our product. So that is how we are making good products. But when it comes to knowledge, we want it should come from the specialist and expert like you,
Yes.
who are very well versed in the field. So I've heard about Skin Sense, and many people get good treatment from you. So I really wanted that you to come and tell people how to do skincare and how they can prevent digital aging, premature aging, and some more things they can, because nobody wants to look aged, but
Yes.
I think we can age gracefully, beautifully. हर एज
Yes.
की एक अपनी खूबसूरती है ना.
Yeah.
पर अगर हम स्किन को
Digital
अच्छे से
aging is
केयर कर
something
रहे हैं.
that you're aging faster, like more before what your chronological age is. Your skin is aging faster than your chronological age. So
Right.
that is something that can be preventable by the products that you just showed, especially
Perfectly.
the sunscreen and the under eye.
Absolutely. Biological aging और chronological aging में बहुत difference है, which can be taken care if you invest wisely in your skin, and if you take good care, if you take the right treatment at the right time. That is important.
Yes.
So आप क्या इसके कुछ अपने क्लिनिक में कुछ ट्रीटमेंट भी बताते हैं ये ब्लू लाइट प्रोटेक्शन के?
Not prevention, but people who come with the dull skin, or having under eyes जो dull दिख रहा है. For that, yes, we do multiple treatments, like we have light therapy, we have aerotherapy, we have carbon peel laser, and we also have hydrofacial, which is everyone's favorite. That will revive them, but revive the skin. But again, maintenance is something that's very important. I can only
Maintenance
treat
is
what they
absolutely
come with,
important.
but उसके बाद maintain करना तो patients के हाथ में ही रहता
बिल्कुल.
है. So maintaining with a good sunscreen and a moisturizer. As someone was asking here, does stress and also lifestyle affect aging? Of course, stress affects aging, because when we are stressed, there is a lot of oxygen-free radicals released in our body, and that can actually affect your skin, and that can also make you look a little aged in your skin. So stress does affect, and your lifestyle definitely affects
Absolutely.
aging.
Absolutely.
Especially the morning shift, night shift, sleeping time, food timings, all those things, when they affect, that definitely affects your aging, to someone who's asking the questions I can see. Also about hydration, I believe there is a hydrating product also with you, and which has hyaluronic acid component.
Yes.
Do you want to talk about that product?
यस. सो हमारा इस हाइड्रोनिक एसिड जो है हमारे उसके अंदर है. एक तो ग्लो बूस्टर सीरम में है, हमारे जो है अंडर आई सीरम में भी हमने हाइड्रोनिक एसिड इज वन ऑफ द एक्टिव जो हमने डाला है वही. तो आई वांटेड यू टू पुट लाइट ऑन दैट कि हाउ डज हाइड्रेशन प्ले रोल इन प्रिवेंटिंग प्रीमेच्योर एजिंग?
Hydration, definitely yes. It's like you're feeding your skin with food and water. So water is something which is mandatory for us. Also,
Yes.
skin requires good amount of water, which is, as we say, drink lots of water and you're always healthy. So why are we not thinking that in terms of skin? Applying a moisturizer is equal to feeding your skin with good amounts of water. And that will definitely take care of the aging part. And your skin will actually look, that radiant look, wo jo charm bolte sab log, all that thing comes with applying moisturizer. Now again, drinking water cannot be bypassed. Both of them have to go
Has
hand
to
in
be
hand.
there.
You have to apply a moisturizer, you also have to drink water, and that's how it actually works for you, not just doing one thing
Right.
to prevent you.
टॉपिकल प्रोडक्ट्स तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, पर आपका अंदर क्या जा रहा है, आप क्या खा रहे हो, क्या पी रहे हो, कैसा सोच रहे हो, कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो, आपकी सोच भी बहुत मैटर करती है. इट कम्स ऑन योर फेस. यू नो, अ हैप्पी फेस ऑलवेज लुक ब्यूटीफुल.
Yes.
Even if when you're stressed, you will
तो
always look
स्ट्रेस में
bad.
रहते हैं ये लाइंस,
या
ऑल
या
द
प्राइस
लाइंस कम अप एंड
प्राइस भी
देन
ज्यादा आएंगी. सो एजिंग नहीं चाहते तो बेटर है खुश रहो, सेल्फ केयर
खुश
करो,
रहो.
सेल्फ लव करो. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
I know.
तो
And
देन
self love
और
comes
अच्छे
with
प्रोडक्ट
skincare
चाहिए
is
तो
what.
हमारे पास आओ, और अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए तो डॉक्टर एल्किया के पास जा सकते हैं.
Yes.
बिल्कुल.
So, as you're saying, for application of the under eye serum, would you want to talk more on how to apply? How is the product like? Is it irritable to the eye, or anyone
Yeah.
can apply? No side effects.
Yes, yes.
Anything you want to bring
Yes,
some
definitely. When
important
when
points
when I
here?
talk about this under eye, it has, as I told you, Eldiven 5X, जो कि एक तरह के एल्गी एक्सट्रैक्ट से बनाया जाता है, और ये बहुत ही पोटेंट होता है. सो ये वर्क करता है आपकी फाइन लाइंस पे, डार्क सर्कल्स पे, और साथ में हमने हाइड्रोनिक एसिड डाला है, कैरेटलिनो डाला है, जो कि आपको ये यूवी रेज और ये ब्लू लाइट से प्रोटेक्शन देता है. साथ में हमने बहुत सारे पोमीग्रेनेट एक्सट्रैक्ट्स और काफी ऐसे एक्टिव्स डाले हैं जो कि आपकी स्किन को नरिश करते हैं. ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट टेस्टेड है ये प्रोडक्ट, तो इसके कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है. बट स्टिल कोई भी नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट हो, क्योंकि हमारे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो है पैराबेन फ्री हैं, सल्फेट फ्री हैं, और उनका नेचुरल बेस है. सो वी स्टिल से कि आप थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि ये सेंसिटिव एरिया होता है, तो आप ट्राई कर लो. सो अप्लाई इट जेंटली अंडर योर आईज एवरी नाइट, और आपको रिजल्ट दिखेगा. और मॉर्निंग में भी मैं तो कहूंगी, मैं जरूर अप्लाई करती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा भी सारा दिन स्क्रीन का ही काम है. तो थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट लेना होता है, और तब इसकी छोटी सी पैकिंग है, और आप इसको एवरीडे अप्लाई करो. Consistency is the key, time is the key. It is important that you be regular with your skincare. So as you told, स्किन ये सनस्क्रीन लगाना है, मॉइस्चराइजर लगाना है, इस अंडर आई को लगाना है, एक अच्छा सीरम होना चाहिए, जैसे रेटिनॉल सीरम अगर हम लगाते हैं, सो इट विल रियली हेल्प reducing those fine lines. It will help preventing the sagging also. You know, reason being, हमारा जो रेटिनॉल सीरम है, that is encapsulated रेटिनॉल. तो जो एनकैप्सुलेटेड रेटिनॉल की जो फॉर्म होती है, दैट इज मोर इफेक्टिव. वो आपको डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट देती है आपकी स्किन को, और इसमें बाकुचा ऑयल भी है. So you know, this works very well on your fine lines, and one can easily use it. इसमें कोई भी ऐसा हार्श केमिकल नहीं है, हार्श फॉर्म ऑफ रेटिनॉल नहीं है जो कि आपको सोचना पड़े. सो इट सूट्स मोस्ट ऑफ एवरीवन, बट यस, अपनी अपनी स्किन की वेरिएबिलिटी है, तो एक पैच टेस्ट तो हम कहते हैं जरूर करिए.
और एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि व्हेन यू अप्लाइंग योर अंडर आई सीरम, स्पेशली इन द मॉर्निंग, नाइट्स डेफिनेटली यू विल अप्लाई. जो लोग मॉर्निंग ही अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर सनस्क्रीन लगाना जरूर. बट जस्ट अप्लाइंग अंडर आई क्रीम एंड देन लीविंग इट इज अगेन नॉट अ गुड थिंग. इट्स ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन आल्सो अराउंड योर आईज. बस हम यहीं पे लगाते, यहाँ पे छोड़ देते. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट कि अंडर आईज के ऊपर भी सनस्क्रीन लगाना is something good. And does regular exercise matter, if someone is asking? Of course, all those things definitely help you in your good health. But here we are trying to focus more on the aging that's because of increased screen time these days. And that's how patients are coming at a very younger age saying that they're looking older, at least in the face.
Yes, yes.
So this will definitely help prevent.
Right. So somebody was also asking, how can we incorporate digital aging prevention into our skincare? So as we were already discussing,
all these points will add up. Using your sunscreen regularly, even if you're sitting in front, even if you're in your house and doing work from home, and you're in front of your camera, videos, reels, computer work, no work, fir bhi make sure that you apply a sunscreen, which is really important. That will prevent, maybe like आज ही लगाया कल रिजल्ट तो नहीं देखते, but the more you apply, the more better your skin will look, and you will understand that. As you were saying the other time, consistency is something that we're looking at for everyone. And sunscreen, yes, always sunscreen forever sunscreen, I would say,
Yes,
because
yes,
that makes a huge
absolutely.
amount of
Sunscreen is
difference.
very important, so we can't say कि भी इसको ध्यान नहीं रखना है, ये तो हमने जरूर लगाना है. अच्छा, और
Yes.
also there is an important question: are there any professional treatment or procedure that can help reverse or reduce the effect of digital aging? Can it be
Yes,
reversed?
I did. Yes, I just, like I mentioned, all these procedures which I mentioned just now, they will help in treating whatever conditions you have. We have microneedling, we have dermafrac at the clinic, we have hydrofacial at the clinic. If it's especially for under eyes, we do fillers, but for someone who's not having that deep dark circles and they're just looking for something very milder dark circle hai, to unko we give something called a roller therapy around the eyes. We have exosomes these days, we have mesos these days. So there's a lot of treatments. It is tailored according to the patient's needs. Not everyone gets the same treatment. So we'll have to scan the patient, understand where they are, what are they looking for, और उसके हिसाब से we will plan the treatment.
Good. So क्या एज, किस एज पे आप ये ट्रीटमेंट आप रिकमेंड करते हैं जो आप बता रहे हो, ये ले सकते हैं किसी को अगर ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है तो?
See, hydrofacial is something that is a maintenance treatment. No particular age. Again, not who's in the 20s. A little late to mid to late 20s, they can start with hydrofacial if there's an event coming up, or if they want some glow on the skin if they have a dry skin. But anyone 30 plus, or anyone between 28 to 30, and they look a little more than what they are, those kind of patients, we definitely start the treatments a little earlier. But again, with the treatment goes the package of treatment and the products together. If you're coming to me for treatment once in 3 weeks or once in 4 weeks, and then बाकी सब 4 weeks कुछ भी नहीं लगाते, बस treatment करके चले जाते हो, वैसा नहीं होता. Get your treatment done. Also use the products before, in between your sessions. That will help better. Microneedling. In microneedling, we have multiple things. We have dermapen, we have dermafrac, especially where patients actually see a good glow.
Okay.
At the same time, they see that tone difference, texture difference. When the texture difference is there, that's when they see the aging being reversed. Looks like the aging is being reversed on the skin, especially for those fine lines we do.
Okay, good, good. So, और ये जो treatment है micro needling, so these are very simple, very easy to get done, और उसमें कुछ
Yes, it's like a office hour procedure. You don't have any downtime. You don't have any scabs around your face. You can just get the procedure done and go back to work on the same day itself. Hardly they'll take around 20 to 30 minutes. Maybe it's called as a lunchtime procedure as well.
Okay. How we can know which sunscreen is best? Somebody is asking.
Depends on your skin type. I've made lots and lots of videos on what kind of sunscreens you need for which kind of skin type.
Yes, yes.
So depends on your skin type, you pick your sunscreen. But again, make sure your sunscreen has the SPF of 50 and above or 30 and above. That is a basic thing that you look for in a sunscreen. Now, if depending on your skin type, you pick either a gel or a lotion, but the number remains the same. 30 plus SPF or 50 plus SPF would be better.
Somebody is asking, how about hormonal acne on chin? Acne भी क्या related है this blue light aging से?
Aging, see, again, if you're looking at chin acne, hormonal acne is a totally different concept to talk about. But what I say is it doesn't fall into the aging group, but it falls into your frictional or your habitual category. You sit in front of the screen, you sometimes do that, and then you touch your chin. So basically, you're displacing whatever is there on your face, on your keyboard, everywhere onto your face, and that can give you acne triggers.
Okay.
Does not directly cause acne.
Okay. So yes, we usually do that. We have that habit that we keep touching our face, or that also ties. So yes.
To wrap up, is there any points that you would want to highlight on the products, especially?
I have already told that there are good products for digital aging from Perenne, like Perenne Replenishing Under Eye Cream, which everyone should use nowadays, and it is safe for all ages, for all boys and girls. Perenne broad spectrum sunscreen again. And when it comes to aging, we should use one serum in our routine for sure. Perenne has a good range of serums as per your skin need. Like we have niacinamide serum, we have glow booster serum with arbutin and hyaluronic acid. That is one
You
of
also
my
have
favorite.
the day and night cream, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. So we have the best day cream and my favorite collagen booster night cream. So day cream focuses on uneven skin tone or dullness. So it has actives like arbutin and hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Night cream focuses on your collagen buildup. So it has apple stem cells, tripeptides, retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, very good active. It is a very good anti-aging cream. So yes, you can spend lots of time on the screen and you can use good Perennes anti-aging products, and that will help a lot. But still, you have already got those premature aging and you need some reversal. You can contact Dr. Akelia for treatments and DM her for various things. But yes, topical products are very important.
Yes, thank you so much for wrapping up your products in a go. My advice would be definitely go for the sunscreen and hydration components if you're looking at preventing aging, and also retinol when you're picking, and the under eye cream which we are constantly talking about in this session because that has really good results. And if you want to see more of products or more whatever the other requirements or require actives that you guys are looking for, check out the page and you will have more information on each individual product because this topic is specifically for aging. We're not covering most of the products. Thank you so much to all of you who have joined the live, and thank you so much for the session also, Ms.
Yeah.
Karna. And
And thank you,
we'll
Dr.
stay in
Again,
touch.
for helping everyone, for giving your precious time. Thank you so much for sharing the knowledge
Thank
with everyone.
thank you.
Thank you.
See you soon. Please take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. So yes, I hope this session was very useful for all of you. And we have shared the best information on digital aging. Dr. Akelia has solved all your queries, and we have recommended all the best Perenne products which can help you take care of your premature aging. So yes, I hope we come up with a new next live session with more information for all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.